Hello, my YouTube family. How are you? Please subscribe my YouTube channel AMA News and click on the bell icon button for more updates and more videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's start video. This is very hot topic today. Please watch my full video and share with your friend and family members. I hope it will very helpful for you. तो जी आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. इट्स आल्सो इंग्लिश कंटेंट. ओके, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल AMA News. Users of popular Android phone offered free battery replacement after Vampire update. Check if you are eligible. The replacement include a free battery swap, $50 to £40 in cash or $100 USDT to put towards another Pixel phone in the Google Store. The owners of a particular Android phone have been offered a free battery replacement following a new update. The Android 13 update is expected to degrade how long the device holds its charge, meaning customers will experience a shorter battery life once it's installed. It is an automatic update rolling out on 8 January 2025. So consumers are unable to avoid it. Google has emailed device owners who may be affected, according to a report from Aresticsia. The handset that will be impacted in the Pixel 4a and affordable Pixel model released in 2020. In a new help page titled Pixel 4a Battery Performance Program, Google wrote that it had noticed issue with some Pixel 4a device. From 8 January 2025, Pixel 4a device will receive an automatic software update on Android 13, the company wrote. For some device impact devices, the update includes new battery management feature to improve the stability of your battery's performance, so the battery may last for shorter period between charges. Pixel 4a owners may also notice their device taking longer to reach a full charge or change to how the battery level indicator on their phone shows its capacity. Google added, we want our customers to have the best possible experience with their products, so users of these impacted devices are eligible for a replacement from Google. This replacement includes a free battery swap, $50 USDT in cash or $100 USD to put towards another Pixel phone in the Google Store. However, not everyone is eligible. Not all Pixel 4a devices are impacted by the radiation in battery capacity and charging performance, Google wrote. Therefore, if your device is not impacted, the battery will perform the same as before and you will not be eligible for an impeachment. Pixel 4a owner can either their IMEI number on this page to find out if there is affected. So please like my video. I hope it will very helpful for you and for your friends. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon button for more updates. Thanks for watching.